creating a retargeting campaign from scratch. All right, great. So now let me go back to my ads manager. All right, and we'll go to Power Editor. All right. So let's say I want to hit create campaign. So I'm going to call this campaign watched later video. And I'm only going to need one ad set, so I'll just call it engaged with video. And then I'll call this download sheet. Okay. So I hit create. Oh shoot! You know what? I made that clicks for website. I would rather make it conversions, but I think I can change that. So, actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna delete that real quick because I like to do it right from the beginning. So boom. So watch later video website conversions. I like website. Choose ad sets. Engage with video. You can call it anything you want. This is just kind of like for your own reference. With video and create ad. Get sheet. Okay. Create. Okay, so now what I want to do is I want to click on the campaign so it takes me into and what you can do here is I like to clear the filters just so you don't get confused. So clear the filters. And now when you select your campaign, you're only going to see stuff here from your campaign, or you should. Sometimes it shows you stuff from other campaigns, which is a little weird. But as long as you stick with this, you'll be fine. Because it's showing me stuff from other campaigns, which is not cool. Facebook, fix that. Anyway, so let's say, okay, so here's my audience, right? Engage with video, all right? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go down to custom audiences. I'm not going to choose anything here. I'm not going to do anything here, any sort of targeting here. I'm not going to do any of that, right? I'm going to go to audiences, and I'm going to select the Vader video. Now, I just made this custom audience, so it's probably going to show at 0. It takes like about a half an hour. Okay, so watch Vader video. Oh, no, 200 people. There we go. So 200 people watch my Vader video to at least 50%. So 200 people. And I've only been running that ad for a few days. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to hit watch Vader video. So now at this point, I'm only showing this audience is just people that watched half of my Vader video because I had just created that custom audience in the previous lesson. So now I want to promote my Facebook ads cheat sheet. All right. So let's make this $5 a day. I believe the conversion event, and again, I showed you guys how to create a custom conversion when you made your funnels. Okay, so I'm gonna go here and find. Let's just do webinar training. So let's say that actually I want to do 450K webinar. So yeah, 450K. So okay, so this is my $450,000 to $900,000 webinar thing. Now you'll see the conversion event is gray simply because I haven't run this webinar in a while, so it's gray. And I haven't run anything. I haven't run this ad in 7 days, which is fine. I know it works, so it doesn't have to be green. Otherwise, you can easily visit the page. It'll be green, whatever. But I choose my conversion event here, which is, I called it 450K. It's people that signed up for my 450K Facebook ads webinar. So this is the conversion event I'm attaching this to. All right, engage with video, $5 a day, watch the Vader video. All right, great. So now I'm going to click on this, and here's my ad. And so I'm going to choose my page, personal, Dan Henry. And what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to go to my destination URL, and I don't remember the URL of my landing page, but so that I just for simplicity's sake, let's just say danhenry.com/webinar. Let's just say that. All right. And then I'll just copy and paste it. So how I turned $450 in Facebook ads into 900K in sales. So that's the name of the webinar. All right. So let me get rid of that. See, they add all kinds of stuff here, like creative optimization. So I'm going to hit sign up. You're just going to select all these options. And again, let me grab this, post that in there. Okay. And what I want to do here now in my copy is I want to say, hey, something like, see, what should I say? I should say, did you enjoy that Darth Vader video I did? Well, if you loved that, I'll just say, well, then you will love this free webinar training I have coming up. And then I'll just say something like, where did I go? There we go. Okay. I'll say, learn how I turn $450 in Facebook ads into $900,000 in sale. Register here, and then I'm just gonna put link. Okay, whatever. So now I got my copy. So again, people are seeing this ad that watched at least half of my Vader video. So now what I'll do is I'll either select an image of me on the whiteboard, or I'll select a video. And I actually think I have a video for this webinar anyway. So select video. Where's it at? Yep. Yep. Nope, that's it, 450K. So I'll click that, hit select. Okay. So now, and I'm actually going to run this ad, actually, see how well it does. But I'm just creating this. I'll edit it later to have the proper URLs. I'm just showing you physically how you would do this. So, okay, some media's, okay, so I can't run an Instagram ad because of that. So I'll hit remove Instagram. Actually, what I'll do is I'll go back to the video and, I'll go back here. And this is again, my second level, my ad set level. And I will get rid of audience network and desktop right column. Okay. Because I like to stick with mobile and desktop. Okay. And now I will go back. I'm wondering why this detailed targeting is spinning like this, because I got to show you guys targeting here in a little bit. For some reason, that's being weird. Anyway, so I hit that. So now I'm back on the ad. And you can also choose a video thumbnail. So I'm going to choose. Oh, I like this one because it says no lame BS story. I like that one. All right. Anyway, so now unable to display preview. My internet might be a little bit weird. It's storming here in Florida. Bear with me. So I'll just go back here. Click that. All this is correct though. This is all where it needs to be. And you should see a preview of your ad right here. Okay, there it is. Add with an image or video. I had it set to multiple. Hold on. Add with an image or video. Okay, so select one image or video, video or slideshow, select video, and there it is. Boom. Whoop, there we go. Sometimes you get to play with this. All right, so you select add with image or video because I want to do one video. Video slideshow, there it is. And there we go. Okay, done, finally. And then I'll select I like my no BS. This worked really well for me. Or I could do this. I could do the how to create Facebook ads because I look kind of stupid there. All right. So now I've created this ad. Okay. And this ad is a video. It's promoting my webinar, and I'm only targeting people that engaged with that video. All right. Or I could simply select a different audience. I could select people that, I could create a custom audience of people that visited my website but did not sign up to my list or whatever. Okay. And that's it. And there's your custom retargeting ad that you've created. And then when you're ready, you just hit review changes, you hit continue, and it'll upload, and your ad will run as soon as it gets approved. Now, that is how you do the retargeting ads from scratch.